What's going on, everybody? This is the Apple Lightning to digital AV adapter that we have right here. And this product is super small but extremely handy. So this attaches, obviously we have a lightning cable right here. So any iPhone that has a lightning plug, you can go ahead and plug this in. And here on the other side, we have an HDMI port. Both ports are clearly marked, and this right here goes a USB-C port as well. So you can actually charge your iPhone as well as plug it into anything that connects to HDMI. I personally use this adapter to connect to a portable monitor, so it's been incredible for that. And yeah, I'm really happy with this product. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. If you're trying to mirror your phone screen onto some type of portable monitor or television screen, this is the adapter that you guys need. It's worth the investment. It's incredible, super sturdy, and I highly recommend it.